Could basic attention token be breaking out in 2019? Welcome back guys, it's Rocko here, and in today's video I'll be doing a technical analysis video and price prediction on basic attention token. So guys, BAT is forming an interesting formation. Most cryptocurrency or coins has went up that massive bull run. It went up like crazy in end of 2017, and then it went down and it just kind of mellowed around, and it's around this level or somewhere even lower, and they have some pumps. But BAT has an interesting formation. It had that massive pump, then it went down, maybe had a correction, now it's trying again, and the 786 level, it went up here 3 seconds, third time it came here and it fell 3 times. This indicator is working really well, as you can see. Every time it kind of aimed the top. My question is, can it be breaking out here? As you can see, I did take a trade here. I'll talk about it near the end of my video. If you're interested in some of the trades that I take, guys, you can follow me on my Facebook group I've created. You can find the link below. It's completely free. I've not been as active in the group as some of the other people, but if you are interested, you can join, guys. Some of the coins are still pumping. I've posted some of the coins I'm looking at today. ENG's been pumping, GRS is looking good. ADA is a coin that I've traded a lot. Some of us have made profit. I've talked about it in YouTube as well. So there are some interesting stuff going on. So yeah, definitely join that group if you want to learn more about. And if you have any questions about technical analysis or trading, you can drop me an email below. But let's get back to this basic attention. I keep talking about ADA because ADA was a really good call. You can go check that trade out. So basic attention token is at a key resistance. I always say don't buy a long-term position at resistance. You should have been buying here. This was a great look, as you can see, of the breakout with increased volume. This candle kind of gave it away that you should be buying. I didn't buy at this level. I wasn't looking at basic attention token, but I've got in here anticipating a break. And why is it different now than all these times before? As you can see, when if you're into Elliott wave structure or you're an experienced trader, you'll see this pattern looks corrective, and now it can be breaking out higher. So some of the differences: this was a spike up, then boom down, spike up, then boom down, a really massive spike up, then down. This time it looks different. It looks like volume's coming in, and it just is trending higher as well. So this time it can be slightly different. Let's see what happens. I'm looking at it now. I'm already in a small trade. I'll talk about it in a bit. Let's see if it can break out higher. If you're a safer trader, you can wait for the breakout. If you are a bit of a crazy trader like me, then you can get in now. But again, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. So what are some of my targets? This zone seems to have some confluence, guys. Also, if you look at the dollar value is looking good as well. So if it does break out, this could be a zone we can be looking at. So that is my predictions for basic attention token in the long term. I will have a look at dollar value before the end of the video because some people are interested in that. In the daily time frame, guys, as you can see, this RSI has worked better on the daily time frame. And at the moment, we're seeing a little bit of a divergence as well, so we need to be careful. But we are forming maybe a cup and handle pattern, which is fairly bullish. So let's see what happens. I got in here at my moving average. You know my strategy, how it works. I think my stop loss is below here. I don't know why it's there. So this is kind of where I got in. I was waiting for it to break out and I got in. I'm in some profit. I've taken some at this resistance. I'm aiming for it to break out. So let's see what happens if my trade works out. If not, it might be just a break even. So one thing that I always say is make sure you keep an eye out for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin crashes, it might make it very difficult for basic attention token to do its thing. Is it like maybe a head and shoulder pattern here as well? So there are some confluences going, but obviously at this resistance it seems to be pulling back. So that is my thoughts on basic attention token. Let's see if this can break out. So I've talked about some of my targets, I've talked about this trade, but make sure you keep an eye out for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin breaks down, this can break down as well. I'll just quickly finish off with this structure that maybe I'm looking at. Maybe this is like an ABC correction after this this big move up, and now we're seeing a correction with an ABC correction, and this could be a start of a new impulsive wave up to that sort of price level. But what we need to see is a breakout of this, and that is the most important thing. It's forming an interesting pattern or interesting market structure, which is making me keeping an eye out for it. If it does break out, I will definitely look to buy more. So that is my quick update. As usual, I'll have a quick look at the dollar value before I end this video. Let's do it with Tether, because this is a popular exchange. People look at Binance. So as you can see, guys, this is kind of struggling at this level. I'm sure this is the 1.27 level. It is close to that level as well, but we're forming a double top here. So let's see if this can break out, close above this line. So that is what I'm looking at here as well. But it tried to break out, it held that moving averages, and it's trying again. So that is the key zone I'm looking out for. It's not just broken out yet. We have got some divergence, so I'm not saying go all out on BAT, but the structure of it is interesting, and I am keeping an eye out for it. This is when it breaks out into near highs. You can follow my videos on some of the trades that I've taken, like Holochain, BTT, Link, some of the all-time new breakouts. Binance is slightly different, but it's a really nice trade, so you can follow this trade, and could BAT work out like that as well. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, guys, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I'll do all these videos for free, so turning on the notification button, I will really appreciate if you guys can do that. If you have any questions about technical analysis, want to learn about it, I'll do free 30-minute Skype call, so you can email me at cryptorocko@hotmail.com for any technical questions, analysis, help. And yes, if you want to join this group, it's a really good community. If I'm not active there, I'm sure other people might be able to help you out, but I try to keep you guys posted in there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, like I said, smash that like button, comment below what are your thoughts on BAT. Do you think basic attention token can go higher? And if you are interested, fundamentally it's a coin that I like. They've got a lot of things going for them. They're one of the better projects. So yeah, if this video gets loads of views or requests, I might do a fundamental and technical analysis of BAT in the future. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much, and go BAT.